Ever had a great idea, but didn't know how to make it happen? Like how to turn your grandma's secret dumpling recipe into the hottest food stand at the school fair. Or how to create the ultimate lucky charm that everyone will want. Sounds like a life hack is needed. And guess what? We've got just the thing. Welcome to Cultural Entrepreneurship for Kids, where creativity meets culture, and kids become problem solvers, inventors, and even mini CEOs. In this course, you will get a step-by-step blueprint of turning ideas into reality. You will learn how to find a unique idea in your own culture. Design it into something amazing. Build your first business model. Yes, you can do it. And pitch your idea to a room full of creative minds. From storytelling to crafting, from food to fashion, your culture is a treasure trove of inspiration. And this course will show you how to turn it into something totally new and fun. And here's the best part. At the end of this course, you'll pitch your idea just like a real entrepreneur. Then, take it into the real world. Sell at your school fair. Enter a local competition, or even start your own mini online shop. So, got an idea? Want to turn it into something big? Join us in Cultural Entrepreneurship for Kids, because the best businesses start with a little imagination, a lot of heart, and a touch of your unique culture.